All right, today we're gonna do fettuccine alfredo. Now we got our chicken breasts. We're not gonna cut up them all, and we got depending on kind of noodles. All right, I like the long string sometimes, but we actually like these too. They get a little saucy, so it contains a lot of the actual sauce. In another video, we'll make our own pasta one of these days. Whipping cream, right? Heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, and some bacon. That's my magic twist to this whole thing, all right? It might not be your traditional fettuccine alfredo. It's my traditional fettuccine alfredo. We'll call it something else, all right? So, first of all, I want to start with opening this sucker up because this is Costco version of it, and it's thick. It's huge, and we're going to actually cut this in half and save the other half for some other time. So, right now, we don't need the whole chicken breasts, but I will start here first because this is going to take the easiest. Smaller the better. They dissolve, but they had the juicy fat in here. That's what we want. Start throwing it in the pan. Be careful, the knife is super sharp. You could have these cook ready, but they're gonna release juices. That's what we want, the oil of it. And I'm gonna cook the chicken with the oil. Thin it out some more, all right? Like this one's a little bit too thick, and too much fat. So we already have too much fat as it is, so we don't need enough more fat. We might work with this, so we're gonna start with this one. All right, slice it. Slice it. You can make them as big as you want, but we're gonna cook it with the chicken. That and no oil or salt needed. All right. All right, I think we got it. So, and look at that. We're ready to go. Let's put this on the pan right now in the heat, and then we'll start with the actual other part too. All right, so here we have it. We're gonna start cooking this. So let's get it up cooking. We're gonna get this to boil. All right, so we're gonna put it high right now on this one right here. This one we're gonna put a high to also. And we're gonna start adding our noodles in there, or if you want your pasta, whatever you want, whatever you call this thing. These actually get a good flavor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add them, half of it. All right, it's only 3 of us, so save the rest for tomorrow maybe, or some other day. So we got enough in here. Close the box out, and then we're gonna add a little garlic powder, all right? Just a little garlic powder to get it going. And also another thing is that I need to add oil to it. Just a little bit of oil. Olive oil is good too, either way. We're gonna wait for that one to actually start spinning. So, start moving this one around. Get all the flavors going. No oil required on this one, all right? No oil whatsoever on this one. Get this one going. We'll close it up. Let it get to a boil. We're gonna concentrate on this one right here. On this one right here, we gotta get pretty much just cooked. But the bacon's gonna give the flavor to everything. Get some garlic powder on this one too. I like to put real garlic, but today I'm a little lazy on it. So garlic powder it is. Mix it up. Alright, the whole idea is to make sure that these two are cooked at the same time. So this one's boiling. I'm going to keep it open right now. Alright, but the noodles are not ready yet. They're still hard. I could feel them hard. I mean, you could tell sometimes. You could even taste one if you want. That's optional. So we're gonna let it boil a little bit more. But this one's almost done to a point where we're gonna start turning it over. I'm gonna turn it a little higher because I'm gonna catch up to this. I want this to get that same kind of cooked consistency. Kind of balance out. You can finish both of them, but if you finish this one first, it's gonna start sticking together because it's pasta. When it dries up, it sticks together. Now, we're getting to a point where we're gonna start boiling a little bit more. It's fine. We just turn it down just a little bit. But this is the one I want to catch up to. All right. This one's ready. ready to come out already. So we're gonna come out. We're gonna start mixing it up. So let's get this one drained first. Careful because it's hot. Put it back in. Keep some moisture in there. All right, it's not that hot. We're gonna start actually marrying it. Turn this one down to 2 for now. Too low. There we go. Integrate it, integrate it. Now we're gonna add cheese number 1 first. Parmesan cheese, right? Heavy whipping cream or heavy milk, whatever you want to call it. If you want a thicker one, it's like half a cup right now, right? So if you want it thicker, all you got to do is add. Oh, I got burned here. All you got to do is add a flour, a little bit of flour, not too much, because there's already enough flour. So you guys can see the liquid is there right now. We got it going. We're gonna get that consistency. We're still gonna cook it. Now we're gonna cook it high, all right? Because it lost its touch. So we're gonna cook it at high. Mix it up. Make sure everything gets in there, all the flavors. Add more Parmesan cheese so you start seeing more of the thickness. Don't lose the moisture, right? Try not to lose the moisture. People put butter, but I'm not gonna put the butter because we already have the bacon in here. Bacon, it's a little natural fat. We got the milk butter already, which is the more of the consistency of the butter thickness. If you see this, look at that. There's still liquid in there, so we want to make sure that you have not too much of a liquid, all right? If you see that you're missing that, add more milk, more of the milk product. But right now, I think we have enough. We're gonna need more Parmesan, that's for sure, because I'm not seeing too much stickiness on the pastas. All right, add a little bit more. This was half, right, of the thing, the Parmesan cheese. So not even half, it was 1/4 actually of it. But to be honest with you, it's the best thing ever. It gives a good flavor. Good cheese melting too. So we're gonna try the test right now. It's getting thick, which is good. It's sticking to where it's supposed to be. A couple more minutes and this is ready to serve. You don't want to burn it too, so. And then get a teaspoon, right? The one I use for the pasta, I'm gonna use the same one. I like to grab one of the pastas. Oh yeah, on the money. On the money. Might as well finish the last of the Parmesan. That's it, no more. And this is done. I'm going to turn it off, call it a day. Let's serve ourselves a nice meal. And this is more like there's a pasta that has the bacon, but it's a different one, all right? This has chicken and bacon, so 2 worlds. And if you think it needs meat, if you think you need salt, that's up to you. But bacon adds the magic flavor. And that's it. That's all she wrote. So let's go ahead and start serving. If you guys can see, look at this beautiful pasta. Now we're gonna see if my child likes it.
It's really good.
It's really good. All right. Kid approved. We got a winner. All right. So whenever you want to make food for some other days, even the next day is really good too. But make sure you put it in somewhere that's not gonna stick enough. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you, and please subscribe and hit the like. Now, if you're watching on mobile, hit that hype button. This is going to help the show out grow, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.